Okay, let's talk about MATIC. So earlier this year, off of the low, we had this huge impulse all the way up, of which I've labeled an intermediate 3. Does it have to be an intermediate 3? No, it could be another 1. Okay, and we're working on another 2. But I think this is the most probable scenario right now, so this is what I'm going with. An Elliott wave, 5 waves is 5 waves. So as long as you treat them all the same, you're never going to lose any money. Okay, or a minimal amount of money. I go into detail on how to trade Elliott wave, by the way. There's two things going on here. You count the waves and you trade the waves. Okay? I teach you how to trade them in my personal Discord here on YouTube. I'm just going to show you how to count them. If you'd like to be a member of my Discord, I give live trade signals. I give exclusive content frequently on all things crypto, all things Elliott wave, all things trading that's not on YouTube. It's all in the Discord. It's free to try for 30 days. So go ahead, click that link in the description and give it a shot. Most you have to lose to give it a try is nothing. This is my MATIC count on what I think is the most probable scenario right now. Okay, there could be other counts that we're working with, but this is what I think is the most probable. Finished back here in May with a high into an intermediate wave to degree 3, and we have a 3-wave move here into A. Okay. Another, this is either a combination for a 3-wave move, okay, into a B, or it's possible, okay, that this is another 1. Okay, we don't know that yet, and we're only going to know in hindsight. But that doesn't matter to trade it. Okay, I want everybody to be clear that sometimes just because you won't know what an Elliott wave count was until it already happened, doesn't mean that there's not ways to trade off of this. And that's what I go into my Discord. And I show you all the ways that you can trade this. One way to not trade it, and one reason I'm making this video, is because in the short term, okay, MATIC had this downtrend for what? When did this start? Right after Christmas through, um, yesterday, really, a couple days ago. And this is a 4-hour time frame here. And in my Discord and in my updates to the patrons that are part of my Discord, they had this top here, this C wave, was already mapped out for them. They knew that that was happening. But guessing that some of you are here because you bought this and now all of a sudden the bottom's dropping out on it and you don't know why. Well, I'm here to tell you why. Because we are expecting a large C wave. Now, I circled these because these are very common extension points for a C wave to go to. Our minimum expectation for a C wave is a 61.8% extension. The normal extension for a C wave is the 100% extension, which is way down here. That gives you a spot to look to buy in a big range. Okay, it is admittedly a very large range. Okay, somewhere in this box is where I'd be looking to buy MATIC, which, as you can see, we're nowhere close to that box. Same thing goes for if you can somehow get an impulse out of this in a 5-way move. Okay, you'd have to be somewhere a 1, a 2, a 3. This can't be the end of the 4 because you got all this, these wicks and things happening here. So your 4 would have to be here, and then you'd have to get a 5-wave move up to here, into a 5, and another 1. Okay, so it's all possible without digging into the deep details to validate or invalidate that. But that doesn't matter. Okay, right now I'm rolling with a B wave. I'm going to let the correction tell me that it's not. Doesn't change how I'm going to trade it. Okay, even if this is a 1, this whole move being a 1, that's not your correction. Okay, your correction's coming down to at least, at a minimum, it's coming down to here. Okay. Everybody who's losing their shirts on MATIC right now, come over to my Discord and we're going to keep you up to date on this stuff. The whole crypto market right now is moving in 3-wave moves. Okay, everything's correcting. Bitcoin's correcting, Ethereum's correcting, all the big coins are correcting, and MATIC is no different. Okay, they're all in harmonious synchrony with each other to some level. But what they're all doing is they're putting in is multiple series of 3-wave moves. Okay, we're not getting impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and you don't want that right now for MATIC, to be honest with you, because if this is a 5, whether this is a 1 up top or this is a B up top, a 5-wave move to start something is exactly that. It's only a start to something. A full correction cannot be 5 waves. So if you see if this turns out to be a 5-wave move, okay, impulsive, this would be invalid, by the way, since the 4, I'm just marking it with a marker, but that would be an invalidation if that really happened as an impulse. Okay, as the 4 has entered the price territory of 1. But for sake of conversation, pretend it's a legal 5-wave move down. That's not the end. It can't be. It can only be the beginning, which means you are going to be tricked and bull-faked with a 3-wave counter trend and another 5-wave move down. Okay? Keep that all in mind. And I keep you up to date on all of this stuff in my Discord. We run through this nearly on a daily basis, if not a daily basis. Okay? But what I'm expecting is a series of 3-wave moves, not a 5-wave move, 3-wave moves. So we had a 3-wave move off the top, whether you want to call this a B or a 1, a 3-wave move off the top. We have a 3-wave counter trend. Okay? And my expectation is you'll either get one big one, as I have drawn, or you'll get multiple small ones, multiple small 3-wave moves. So you might get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Or you'll get a standard zigzag here, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point of the matter is we're expecting it to, at a minimum, come down to right here at the 61.8% extension of A and B. So no longs or trades will be happening for MATIC, at least for me, until we get to here. Did I buy this? Absolutely not, because I know this is coming. There's no sense in buying that. And that's pretty much it there, guys. I mean, that's MATIC in a nutshell right now. We're just waiting for something to happen. Whether this is a 1 or a B wave, this is simply a counter trend right here. It's simply a counter trend, a bull fake, if that's what you want to call it. Okay, but they happen all the time. Don't get FOMO, guys. Don't get FOMO. There's things to look for to enter markets, and I go through all of that and keep you up to date in my personal Discord. Links in the description if you'd like to give that a try. Appreciate those likes and subscribes. Hit that notification bell to know whenever I put out new videos. And you all have a wonderful day.